Good morning, children. Children, in the previous video, you had studied about the days of the week and at the same time, the days which came after, before, between. So it was a kind of puzzle, isn't it? Now, you all have come to know the days of the week so very well that no matter in whatever way I turn and twist the question, you will be able to answer, isn't it? So today we are going to learn the months in a year. You all know the names of the months from the very beginning. आप सबको एक साल के सारे महीनों के नाम पहले से पता है. आपने सिस्को में मुझे बताया भी है और स्पेल आउट भी किया है. बट टुडे यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न समथिंग वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज अ ट्रिक. आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू अ ट्रिक टुडे. And this trick will help you to understand that how many days are there in different months of a year. आप सबको ये पता है कि साल में 12 महीने होते हैं. You all know this very well that there are 12 months in a year. And what are those 12 months? Those 12 months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. I am going to read out the months once again. The reason behind this is I want all of you to pronounce the month's spelling, to pronounce the words in the same way as I do, because I have seen few of you are doing pronunciation mistakes when you are saying the names of the months. आप सितंबर बोलते हैं, है ना, फरवरी बोलते हैं. दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. वैसे हिंदी महीनों के लिए बोला जाता है. जब आप इंग्लिश में मंथ्स के नाम लेंगे तो उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन बहुत सही होना चाहिए. सो आई एम रिपीटिंग द नेम्स ऑफ द मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर. लिसन टू इट वेरी केयरफुली एंड प्रैक्टिस इट बाय लिसनिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, now these are the 12 months in a year. Now every month are having certain number of days. हर महीने में कुछ फिक्स दिन होते हैं जिसे आपको याद रखना है, और यही याद रखने का ट्रिक मैं आपको आज सिखाने जा रही हूँ. This is known as the knuckle trick. This is also given in your book, page number 115 that I am showing you in the video. Now, first understand what knuckle is. See, this is your fist. Okay? आप अपनी मुट्ठी को बंद कर लें. जैसे आप भाई बहनों में लड़ाई होती है तो आप लोग फाइटिंग करते हो ना, डिशुम डिशुम. Yes. So in the same way, you fold your fist like this. मारना नहीं है. मारने के लिए मैं मुट्ठी बंद नहीं करवा रही हूँ, पढ़ने के लिए करवा रही हूँ. सो डोंट बी इन अ मूड टू फाइट. फोल्ड योर फिस्ट. यू हैव फोल्डेड इट. Now see, you can see here this bony part. यहाँ पे आपको ये दिख रहा है, these are called knuckles. इसे knuckles कहते हैं. इन knuckles के थ्रू आज आप एक ट्रिक सीखेंगे जिससे आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि हर महीने में कितने दिन होते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी, वी विल स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम हियर and then we will move till this side. From this side, from the right hand side, we will move to the left hand side. Okay, now this part which is up, आप यहाँ पे देखिए एक up part है, फिर एक नीचे down, ये नीचे आ जा रहा है down, again there is up, again there is down, again up, again down, again up. Can you see here? So we will start from here. यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे जो ऊपर का पार्ट है. This is January. So January has got 31 days. जो ऊपर में रहेगा उन महीनों में 31 डेज होगा. जो महीने नीचे में आएंगे, इस जगह पे डाउन पार्ट में आएंगे, उन महीनों में 30 डेज होगा, एक्सेप्ट फेब्रुअरी. ओके, so here January 31 days, February it is coming in the down part. February, here you will write 28 or 29 days, because February साल का एक ऐसा महीना है जिसमें या तो 28 डे होता है, और अगर लीप ईयर है, लीप ईयर हर चौथे साल में आता है, then that comes to 29 days. Okay, so February 28 or 29 days. March, this has come on the up part. March up part में आ रहा है, इस part में, so again 31 days. April down part में आ रहा है, 30 days. May up part में आ रहा है, 31 days. June, it is coming in the down part, 30 days. July, again it is coming in the up part, 31 days. Come here again. August, it is also coming in the up part, so again 31 days. So both July and August, both has got 31 days. Then September, down part, 30 days. October, this is coming on the up part, ऊपर वाले पार्ट पे है, so 31 days. November coming in the down part, 30 days. December coming in the up part, 31 days. Okay, once again I will repeat, watch it more carefully. January 31, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. Now see, what are the months which have come in this up part? कौन कौन से महीने हैं जो इस up part में आ रहे हैं? January, March, May, July, August, October, December. And which are the month which is coming in this down part? February, April, June, September and November. Okay, isn't this trick very interesting? and easy also. ये ट्रिक ना सिर्फ इंटरेस्टिंग है, ये बहुत ईजी भी है. इसे आप इसे याद करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं. You don't even need to remember. Even if you don't remember, you can easily find out the number of days of the month by simply making a fist. आप सिर्फ एक मुट्ठी बंद कर ले, फिस्ट बना ले और अपने नकल्स के ऊपर में काउंट करते हुए आप नंबर ऑफ डेज इन अ मंथ बता सकते हैं. See, in your book also this diagram has been given that is showing the knuckles, the up part, the down part, the up part, the down part, the up part, the down part. Okay, now I believe all of you have understood it very nicely and you will enjoy doing it. When you are free, you can try it out and you can have fun with it. What you have to do now is you have to use this trick and write the number of days in each month. The names of the months are given here. महीनों के नाम यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. आपको इस ट्रिक को यूज़ करना है जो मैंने अभी आपको सिखाया, और इस ट्रिक का इस्तेमाल करते हुए आपको यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ डेज लिखने हैं हर महीने के. ओके, सो यू नो दैट हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर इन जनवरी. अभी मैंने आपको सिखाया है कि जनवरी में कितने डेज होते हैं. 31 डेज होते हैं. आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 31. फरवरी में कितने डेज होते हैं? फरवरी में मैंने आपको बताया ये एक ऐसा महीना है जिसमें या तो 28 डेज होते हैं और अगर लीप ईयर रहे तो 29. तो आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 28, देन ऑब्लिक, देन यू विल राइट 29. जैसे यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है 28 ऑब्लिक 29. ओके. मार्च 31 days, so you will write 31. Okay, now this is clear to all of you. I am not going to write down the names, the days, number of days in each month because I have just explained it to you. So I will not write it down here. You will do it yourself. Now understand what is your homework and classwork for today. Your classwork is you will write down the months of the year. This is your classwork. What you have to do is you will write down the names of the months of the year. And how you will write it down? There are total 12 months. So you will write here first, then write January. This is the first month. Then write second, write February. Then third, March. Fourth, April. Fifth, May. Sixth, June. Seventh, July. Eighth, August. Ninth, September. 10th, October. 11th, November. And 12th, December. This way you will be able to memorize the months of the year as well as the which month is number wise category. If you divide it into category, which is the first month, which is the second month, which is the third month. So you will get to know the ordinal number also, and at the same time you will get to know the months of the year also. So this is your classwork. You will do it in your classwork copy. Okay, you will write down classwork today's date, then write months of the year and write it this way. This is your homework. You will do it in your homework copy as well as book. In both you have to do it. Is it clear to all of you? Once again I am repeating. This work is your classwork. You will do it in your classwork copy. And this is your homework. You will do this in your homework copy as well as book. Thank you.